Best deals.
1. Frying pan. Includes a convenient steam plate, enabling you to steam vegetables, dumplings, or seafood effortlessly while cooking other dishes. Perfect for deep frying, steaming, and cooking soups, noodles, or pasta, this pot meets all your versatile cooking needs. Features a detachable deep fryer with a draining board, making it ideal for oil-free, healthier frying of French fries, chicken wings, and more. Includes a transparent glass lid to monitor your food without releasing heat or steam, making cooking more efficient. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kadai. It can be used for deep frying, roasting, baking. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. Comes with 2 canvas grips for easy handling. Season the kadai before use to give it a non-stick property and prevent the food from sticking in the cast iron kadai. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bowl. A complete prep and bakeware solution, perfect for cake mixing, atta kneading and festive cooking sessions. Thick, durable plastic with stable grip, ideal for baking, salad, flour sifting, dough prep and daily meal prep beyond Christmas season. Easy clean, odor resistant and built to last years. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Masala Dabba. Food grades non-reactive to food and corrosion-free stainless steel, comes with 7 containers with 7 spoons and stainless steel rod stand. The steel masala box, containers which are suitable for storing small quantity of masala spices, mukhwas, dry fruit. Easy to clean and easy to wash. Keep all your masalas at one place. Aesthetically designed wire stand which holds all the containers makes the product look stylish. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Saucepan. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Perfect for making tea, coffee, soups, sauces, chutneys. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Funnels. Made of premium quality silicone, our kitchen funnel set is environmentally friendly and 100% food grade safe. Including 3-size funnel, specially designed wide open funnel, comparing the traditional funnel, more efficient to help you to complete food transferring work. Suitable for various containers, mason jars. They will meet all filling needs for your family, makes your kitchen areas will remain clean and tidy. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tawa. Made of aluminium, it has a sturdy hard anodized base which heats up evenly without causing any sort of damage. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bowls. Serve curries, desserts, ice creams, nuts and nibbles to friends and family in these earthy serving bowls. Crafted from agri-waste in eclectic pastel hues, these will surely add oomph to any dining table, made with our proprietary biocomposite technology. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Organizer. Keep your kitchen tidy with a bamboo pan organizer rack, designed with 5 adjustable compartments to hold lids, pans, pots, tawa, and kadai. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, this pan holder is not only sturdy and long-lasting but also adds a natural, stylish touch to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pan. Enjoy soft and hot appams at home with the 220 mm with laid non-stick deep pan which helps in low oil healthy cooking. It comes with stainless steel lid and soft touch knob. Ergonomically designed soft touch handles and knob that do not heat up during cooking. Soft touch handles give you a firm grip even with wet hands. Comes with stainless steel lid and the soft touch heat resistant knob on the lid makes it easy to lift it without using a potholder. Its premium healthy PFOA-free non-stick coating enables oil-free cooking without any compromise on taste. The coating does not flake or come off with normal usage. Non-stick coating helps in consuming less oil and allows for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Salad spinner. Includes salad spinner, spiralizer, slicer, and grater, a versatile set for effortless vegetable prep, onion slicing, and salad creation. Simply insert the required disc into the lathe to switch between slicing, spiralizing, grating, or spinning, making kitchen prep fast and efficient. Non-slip base ensures stability, protecting hands and surfaces during use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Idli cooker. Stackable pots and nesting lids save precious kitchen space. Streamline your cooking experience, urge for high durability, easy to wash and clean, rust-proof and hygiene. Ergonomic handles stay cool, offering a secure grip. Tempered glass lid seals in flavors. No more kitchen accidents. The sleek design adds elegance to your kitchen while saving valuable counter space. A perfect balance of form and function. Premium stainless steel multi-pot with even heat distribution for perfect meals every time. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Frying pan. Elevate your cooking experience with the unmatched non-stick properties of our cast iron frying pan. Crafted without any synthetic coatings, it guarantees healthier, tastier, and crispier results for your culinary creations. Works on high heat. Embrace the power of high heat cooking with confidence. Experience the joy of easy cooking as this pan effortlessly handles your culinary endeavors. Immerse yourself in culinary precision with the pan's die-cast technology. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Atta maker. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, non-toxic plastic, this dough maker ensures hygienic food preparation and long-lasting durability. The sturdy, transparent body allows you to monitor the dough consistency easily during mixing. Make your kitchen routine effortless with the manual dough maker. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Oil dispenser. The specially designed Olkranen spout delivers smooth, accurate pouring with no drips, helping keep your countertops spotless and reducing waste. The specially designed Olkranen spout delivers smooth, accurate pouring with no drips, helping keep your countertops spotless and reducing waste. The glass is designed to protect contents from light, preserving the quality and freshness of oils and seasonings for longer storage times. Featuring a wider diameter, this oil pot allows for quick and mess-free refilling. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Kadhai. This kadhai is made with aluminum, which is better for cooking as it delivers heat uniformly throughout the surface. Provided with a non-stick coating, which means that it permits the easy removal of food particles from the base of the pan. The kadhai has handles on either side, making it easy to handle while making a hot dish. Comes with the 3 mm thick glass lid can be used to cover. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Portable blender. Crush ice, make fresh fruit smoothies, protein shakes, slushies, cold coffees, salad dressings and dips. Fast charging battery with universal Type-C port gives you 20 blends with one single charge. Take your twister wherever life takes you, gym, office, hiking, partying with friends or long walks. A blender in multiple stunning colors that vibe with all your moods. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Rack. Organize pots, pans, and lids with 8 adjustable tiers to create a tidy and spacious kitchen. Fits on countertops or inside cabinets. The 8-tier design allows you to easily adjust shelves to fit various pot and pan sizes, providing flexible and personalized kitchen storage solutions. Made from high-quality metal, this rack ensures long-lasting use. It securely holds heavy pots and pans, keeping your kitchen essentials safe and organized. Use it as a countertop organizer, under sink storage rack, or in kitchen cabinets. Perfect for keeping tawa, rice pots, and utensils within easy reach. Simple installation with no tools required. Stack and store your cookware effortlessly, making it ideal for quick and convenient kitchen organization. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Paniyaram pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron Paniyaram pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Cook crispy and yummy varieties of paniyarams effortlessly like plain paniyaram, sweet up, masala up, vegetable paniyaram, oats paniyaram and many more. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Puri Dabba. With air ventilation has attractive and elegant look coupled with a classy finish makes it a must-have for most homes. Canisters are manufactured from quality stainless steel and cutting-edge technology to meet standards. The high-quality material also takes care of your health and hygiene. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Brush. 18 inches wide coverage and exceptional durability. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning, reaching every nook and cranny with ease. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Multi-steamer. Ideal for steaming and stewing multiple dishes at the same time, make one full meal 3x times faster, save time, effort, and cooking gas. You can do 2 cooking processes at the same time, cooking and steaming, and it is fully customizable according to cooking needs and/or family size. 2 perforated stainless steel trays for 360 degrees steaming and 100% even cooking. The trays can be customized according to individual requirements. Stainless steel body plus faster and even heating sandwich base with aluminum core. Glass lid that can be placed vertically to save counter space and prevent messy drips. Perfect for idlis, momas, dumplings, vegetables, modak, biryani, and more. This 3-tier steamer pot brings variety to every meal. Built with advanced 3-layer stainless steel base for rapid heating, consistent cooking, and better nutrient retention in every dish. Assured with ISI certification and premium grade stainless steel for safe, durable, and worry-free use. Spacious 24 cm pot with 3 tiers, ideal for cooking large portions and serving gatherings with ease. Compatible with gas, induction, and dishwasher safe, combining everyday practicality with timeless design. Thick sandwich base ensures even heat distribution, compatible with gas, induction, electric, and ceramic cooktops. Choose between 2 or 3 stackable layers to steam multiple dishes at once, perfect for idlis, momas, dokla, vegetables, modak, and more. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Spatula. On pot sticks onto your pot lid, so you can easily rest the lid on the edge of your pot. Clever design always rests the lid at the perfect angle so condensation and food splatter drips back into your pot. On pot is designed to stay stuck to your pot lid so it's always there whenever you need it. High heat resistant materials are safe up to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Care should be taken when used on a gas stove on high. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Glass jug. Is made of high-quality glass and food-grade BPA-free lid. Great for home use, birthday parties, anniversary parties, get-together, indoor and outdoor entertaining. Ideal for serving various beverages like water, iced tea and fruit-infused juices. Wide mouth enables easy cleaning. A jug is a great dining accessory for home and makes for a beautiful gifting choice. The pitcher has a perfect spout, durable and fall-proof acrylic lid. The jug is made of high-quality glass and food-grade BPA-free lid. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. It's easy to clean and compact to store in your kitchen. It's elegant and suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Buckets. Collapsible and easy to store when not in use, this bucket turns space-saving into an art form. Offering all of the versatility and practical use of your average bucket. The silicone bucket can be collapsed and hang up on your utility room's wall. Designed using foldable silicone and heavy-duty plastic. The flexible foldable is very easy for use. You can use it for home or outdoor activity, such as car washing, laundry, watering, camping, fishing, hiking, etc. It can be folded easily for saving space when not in use. It is very easy to handle and use. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Rice drainer. Helps by putting rice and water directly in a filter pan and getting filtered. Putting rice and water in such filter pan is much laborious and time-taking. Designed to accommodate various pot sizes, this rice strainer stand is a versatile addition to your kitchen. Adapt to your cooking needs, whether for a small family or a larger gathering. Thoughtfully designed for easy post-cooking cleanup. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Dustbin. Easily dispose of waste without lifting a lid, perfect for hassle-free use and quick cleaning. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink. Hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin, perfect for small spaces while providing ample storage. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food grade, and BPA-free, ensuring safety and durability. Equipped with a built-in handle for easy transport, smooth surface allows for effortless cleaning. The trash can is made of PP plastic with high strength, which ensures the trash can has a longer service life and is more durable. The surface is smooth, corrosion resistant, and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Flat mop. This mop redefines squeezing with a revolutionary push and pull design. Picture this, your mop effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is a versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, scuzzing and a flat mop. Versatility at its finest. A mop adapts to every surface, marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces, with best-in-class clearance of 5 cm. It can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Water bottle. With a 1200 ml capacity, the Sipper water bottle for kids ensures your child drinks enough water, reducing trips for refills. The leak-proof design means no more messes in backpacks or on the go, providing peace of mind for parents. Made from BPA-free materials, this bottle is safe for kids and built to last, ensuring healthy hydration. The Space Astronaut cartoon design makes drinking water fun, encouraging kids to stay hydrated throughout the day. Lightweight and designed for small hands, this bottle is perfect for school, picnics, and adventures. Product link is given in the 29th link.